Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Lucid Dream Genius. Today, we'll talk about how to keep dream journal for lucid dreams, ultimate guide for beginners. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, let's find out what is dream journaling. Dream journaling is when you write down your dreams in the morning to remember them better. It helps you remember your dreams and find patterns that can tell you about yourself. Some people who do lucid dreaming also use dream journaling. When we see patterns in our dreams, we can realize we're dreaming and become aware of our dream, lucid dreaming. Starting a dream journal is easy. Just keep a pen and paper near your bed, and when you wake up, write down whatever you remember. There are no strict rules for dream journaling, and it doesn't matter what you write, even a few short notes about what you remember or how you felt is okay. You don't have to write a lot each morning. The main goal is to help your mind remember dreams better by bringing them from your unconscious mind to your conscious memory. What you write in your dream journal isn't super important. The main thing is to be consistent and write in it every morning. Over time, it will get easier, and you'll remember more details. Some people like to use prompts about their dreams, while others just write freely. I do a bit of both and switch it up between entries. I have 2 questions I answer each morning: where the dream happened and who was there. The rest is just a messy mix of thoughts on the paper. You can also draw, make lists, or use any other way to get your experiences down. There's no right or wrong way to do it. The main goal is to bring the thoughts from your unconscious mind into your conscious mind through writing. Once it's there, it doesn't matter what you put on the page as long as you bring the ideas to the surface. If you want, you can organize or categorize your thoughts later. When you're writing down your dreams from the night before, consider: 1. Where did the dream happen? 2. Who was in the dream with you? 3. How did you feel during the dream and now that you've woken up? 4. How did the dream end? 5. Were there any recurring themes from past dreams? Even if you can't remember any dreams, it's a good idea to write something in your journal. The key is to do it regularly, so even if you have no dreams to share, simply start a new entry and mention that you didn't dream that day. You can also jot down other things, even if they don't seem directly related. How was your sleep? Do you feel rested? What time is it right now? The important thing is to get into the habit of writing something down. It's not so important what you write at this stage. Every night, everyone spends about 2 hours dreaming, whether you remember those dreams or not. When you wake up, the memories of your dreams start to fade away. In about 10 minutes, most of the dream details are gone. Some experts think that changes in certain chemicals while we sleep, like acetylcholine and norepinephrine, might be why we forget our dreams. Another study found that people who had more white matter in a part of their brain called the medial prefrontal cortex remembered their dreams better. But no matter why we forget our dreams so easily, the truth is that anyone can get better at remembering them with practice. Even if you're really experienced at dreaming, you won't remember all your dreams. But things like keeping a dream journal can make it much more likely that you'll remember what happened in your dreams the night before. Getting better at remembering your dreams or trying lucid dreaming takes time and patience. Is it worth it? Why should I bother remembering my dreams? Well, our ability to dream is quite impressive. Dreams are like a strong source of creative energy. They can help us control our emotions, provide unique insights into ourselves, and even let us practice things that can help us in real life. But to use our dreams like this, we need to be able to remember them when we wake up. Here are some simple tips to make your dream journaling practice more effective. 1. Be consistent. Try to make dream journaling a habit. It might take some effort at first, but over time, you'll get used to waking up and jotting down your dreams. This consistency will significantly improve your dream recall in just a few weeks. 2. Record immediately. Write in your journal as soon as you wake up. The longer you wait, the less you'll remember. Keeping your journal nearby while you sleep can help you avoid forgetting details during the time it takes to reach for it. 3. Consider voice recording. Dream journaling can also involve using a voice recorder. You don't have to write everything down. Some people use a combination of recording their dreams and transcribing them later. 4. Explore lucid dreaming. While not required, practicing lucid dreaming can enhance your dream journaling experience. Lucid dreams are when you're aware that you're dreaming, making them easier to remember and analyze. Techniques like reality checks and setting alarms can help you achieve lucidity in your dreams. 5. Track sleep cycles. Understanding your sleep cycles, particularly REM sleep, rapid eye movement, can help you remember more vivid dreams. Most memorable dreams occur during the final REM cycle, about 1 to 2 hours before your normal waking time. You can use sleep tracking apps to identify this optimal dream recall window. 6. Use dream herbs with caution. Some plants and fungi, dream herbs or one-irigens, can enhance dreaming, but they should be used cautiously. They can make dreams more vivid or cohesive but also carry the risk of nightmares. Be especially careful with dangerous dream herbs like datura, Syrian rue, and amanita mushrooms. 7. Consider a dream journaling app. Digital dream journaling offers benefits such as easy cataloging and search, as well as security features. However, be aware of potential downsides like a dead phone or distractions from notifications. Choose the method that works best for you, whether it's digital or the traditional pen and paper. Your dreams are more valuable than you might think. Some of the smartest people in history got great ideas and deep wisdom from their dreams, and you can too. When you learn to pay attention to your dreams, you can find new ideas, understand your feelings better, and explore your inner thoughts. Dream journaling helps you remember your dreams, gives you something to think about later, and makes it more likely that you'll have lucid dreams. This practice gets better as you keep doing it, but it might take some work to get good at it. Be patient and do it regularly, and eventually, you'll understand why so many people look forward to going to sleep each night. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your thoughts. Have a good sleep and see you in the next video.